Ultimate 224 Guide: How AI Can Create Your YouTube Videos Step by Step. Step 1. Conceptualization and Script Writing. 1. Idea Generation. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai to brainstorm video ideas based on trending topics, audience interests, or keywords. 2. Script Writing. Employ AI script writing tools such as Pseudo-Write or WriteSonic to create a structured script. 2. Input the video idea and let the AI generate a detailed script, including dialogue, narration, and scene descriptions. Step 2. Video Planning and Storyboarding. 1. Storyboard creation. Tools like Storyboard That or Canva's storyboard templates can be used to visually plan each scene. 1. AI can assist by generating scene suggestions and visual layouts. 2. Scene planning. Use AI to organize the sequence of scenes, transitions, and key moments in the video. Step 3. Voiceover and narration. 1. Text-to-speech. AI tools like Murph, AI Descript, or Amazon Polly can convert the script into natural-sounding voiceovers. 1. Select from various voice options and adjust the tone, pitch, and speed. 2. Voice cloning. For a personalized touch, tools like Resemble AI can clone a specific voice for consistent narration across videos. Step 4. Visual content creation. 1. Video editing. Use AI-powered video editors like Pictory.com, Adobe Premiere Pro's AI features, or Magisto to automate the editing process. 1. These tools can help with cutting, transitioning, and enhancing footage. 2. Stock footage and images. Tools like Pexels, Unsplash, and Storyblocks use AI to recommend relevant stock footage and images based on your script and storyboard. 3. Animation and graphics. AI tools like Animaker, Vyond, or Doodly can create animated scenes and graphics. 3. Input your script and let the AI generate animations that fit your storyline. Step 5. Music and sound effects. 1. Background music. AI platforms like AIVA or Amper Music can compose custom background music that matches the mood and tone of your video. 2. Sound effects. Use AI to find and integrate sound effects that enhance the video's atmosphere. 2. Tools like Epidemic Sound or Artlist have extensive libraries with AI-driven search capabilities. Step 6. Video optimization and SEO. 1. Keyword research. Utilize AI tools like TubeBuddy or VidiQ to find relevant keywords, tags, and descriptions that will boost your video's visibility. 2. Thumbnail creation. AI tools like Canva or Snappa can help design eye-catching thumbnails. 2. They offer templates and design suggestions to make your thumbnail stand out. 3. Title and description. Generate optimized titles and descriptions using AI copywriting tools, ensuring they are engaging and contain the right keywords. Step 7. Publishing and promotion. 1. Scheduling and publishing. Use AI-driven platforms like Hootsuite or SocialBee to schedule and publish your video at the optimal time for your audience. 2. Social media promotion. Automate the promotion of your video across social media platforms using AI tools like Buffer or Later. 2. These tools can craft engaging posts and determine the best times to post. Step 8. Analytics and feedback. 1. Performance tracking. Use YouTube analytics and AI tools like SocialBlade or TubeBuddy to monitor your video's performance. 2. Audience feedback. Analyze comments and engagement metrics with AI tools that provide insights into viewer sentiment and suggestions for improvement. Step 9. Iteration and improvement. 1. Feedback integration. Use the insights gathered to refine your content strategy. 1. AI can help identify trends and areas for improvement. 2. Content adjustment. Continuously update your content based on performance data and audience feedback, ensuring your videos stay relevant and engaging. By leveraging these AI tools and techniques, you can streamline the video creation process, enhance the quality of your content, and effectively reach and engage your audience on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Your comments, likes, and subscriptions not only encourage me, but also fuel my passion to bring you more exciting and unique content in the future. Stay tuned for more amazing adventures.